Hey friends, welcome back. It's me again, Miss Haley. Lately, we have been learning about trees, about who lives in trees, what we can make out of trees, what comes from trees, and the different parts of trees. In our small group meetings, we have been drawing together the parts of a tree. So today, I would love to invite you to grab your clipboard, a drawing tool, and some paper so that we can draw the parts of a tree together. To begin, I'm going to take my piece of paper and attach it to my clipboard. I'm going to squeeze here, slide my paper, and release. So now my paper is being held by my clipboard. To begin, we are first going to draw a straight horizontal line across our paper, just like this. Next, we will draw the tree trunk, which is in the shape of a rectangle. Do you remember how many sides a rectangle has? 4. That's right. I'm going to draw 4 sides with straight lines. 1, 2, 3. And look, I already have side number 4. So our rectangle represents the tree trunk. So I will draw an arrow and label it. It says trunk. Can you say trunk? Great job. The next part of our tree is going to be below this line, down here. And they're going to be kind of squiggly lines, not straight lines. And they will represent the roots of the tree, which Miss Haley likes to call the muscles. The root system of the tree grows beneath the soil, and they help hold the tree up. And they also drink the water that the tree needs to grow. To draw my roots, watch me here. Our roots. And roots starts with the letter R. So here I go. I'm going to make my arrow and write R-O-O-T-S. Roots. So far, we have the roots of the tree and the tree trunk. Our next part of the tree will be up here. And I'm going to draw shapes, things that look like triangles. So I'm going to go up here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part of the tree is called the branch. Can you say branch? Branch. That's right. The tree branch. And trees have lots of branches. So we have our tree branches up top. Then that's right, tree trunk and the roots. We have 2 more important parts of our tree to draw. Our next part will be coming off of our tree branches, and they are going to be small straight lines. Like that. Those are called the twigs or sticks. I like to call them twigs. Can you say twig? Twig. And the twigs are the smaller, woody parts that grow off of the tree branch. So here is my arrow, and twig starts with T, twig. So now we have our tree roots, our tree trunk, our tree branch, and our twigs on the tree. The last part of our tree, I'm going to use a green marker, but you may use any color drawing tool that you have. Our next part of the tree is going to be a large circle shape or something that looks similar to an oval. So I'm going to go around like this. I wonder what that could be. The crown of the tree. Can you say crown? Crown, that's right. Here's my arrow to label our part of the tree. So we have our tree roots, our tree trunk, our tree branches, the larger parts here. We have our tree twigs, or sticks, that grow off of our tree branches. And then up here is considered the crown of the tree. Thank you so much for drawing the parts of the tree with me, friends. I look forward to seeing your drawing of the tree. Take care.